Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons. Today's lesson on trigonometry, we're looking at the second variation where we give you a diagram sum in ratio form, which is the norm in which we test. Right? Most of the other problems you're going to have to simplify it back to ratio form. So, if cos theta equal 3 over 5 and theta is less or equal to 90, greater or equal to 0, so 0 to 90 I'm working in the first quadrant. They want me to determine the value of tan theta, and then 1.2 sine theta plus cos theta times tan theta plus cos theta. So I need to understand that cos theta is x over r. So given 3 over 5, I need to know that x equal to 3 or r equal to 5. But I must be very careful and see, depending on which quadrant I'm working on, whether the value is positive or negative. Right, I think here I made it, or it's in first quadrant, so everything is positive. Right, so secondly, so 0 to 90, we're drawing a first quadrant. So my x is positive 3 and my y is positive 5. Well, not y, my r, and r is always positive. Right, so in the first quadrant, to get y, remember it's always the longer side minus the shorter side. So y squared equal r squared minus x squared. Right, so 5 squared minus 3 squared, so 25 minus 9 gives me 16. Go from y squared to y, square root y squared equal plus minus square root 16, y equal to 4, or y not equal to negative 4. In the first quadrant, y is positive, not negative. So now I have my x, my y, and my r values. So basically from here, I can solve whatever problem they give to me, if I understand and know my trig ratios. Very important. Right, so solving trig ratios, x equal 3, y equal 4, r equal 5. Tan theta is y over x. So y is 4 and my x is 3. So therefore that is 4 over 3. Right, sine theta plus cos theta. Sine is y over r. So my y is 4, my r is 5. Cos theta is x over r. My x is 3, my y is 5. Tan theta, 4 over 3. We already got y over x. And cos theta would be x over r, which is then 3 over 5. Difficult part done. Right, so there it's plus, so 4 plus 3 would give me 7, and the denominator stays the same, 7 over 5. There, we're going to cross multiply to add them, so that's going to become 5 times 4, which is 20. This is going to become 3 times 3, which is 9. 20 plus 9 would give me 29, and 3 times 5 would give me 15. So if I multiply now here, 5 times 15 is 75, 7 times 29, 2, 3, and that simplifies to 2 and 53 over 75. So that's just the basic of when we give you trig ratios. Right, so as I say, if you're going to work through all the variations, you're going to see all the different ways we do diagram sums. And then if you're setting up your cheat sheet or study sheet, then you can basically notate that these are the 4 variations, and you're going to look at it every time, depending on what appears in whichever exam paper, right? God bless. Continue practicing. Bye.